Hi, I'm Jeff Clark. I work with Lindy Computer Connection Technology. I'm here as part of the HDBaseT Alliance at InfoComm 2016. We want to take just a moment here and show you a product that we're trying to demonstrate. It's called the modular matrix switch. And if you'll take a quick look at the front, you'll see there's really not a whole lot to look at here other than just a control panel. But if we'll go around to the back, I'll show you exactly what this thing is. If you'll look toward the rear of the box, now what we're going to see is a box that has a series of outputs and a series of inputs, and I'll show you in just one moment with a diagram what this thing actually does. But before we go there, let me show you, this is some example cards that we have. You can see these things, you slide them out, slide them in, and it's completely modular. You can see these ports here are DVI. We have VGA, have more DVI, and we also have HDMI, obviously. And these things are for inputs and outputs from various sources. Let's take a look at the types of cards that we do have available. Again, we've got an HDMI input board and an HDMI output board. Same thing for DVI, VGA. Now, if we'll take a quick look at this diagram that we have, I'll show you exactly what this thing is for. You can have multiple types of sources. You can have DVD players, game systems, what have you, and you send your video into this matrix box, and then you're completely free to distribute the video however and whatever way you want to. And again, you can have different types of input sources. Again, it can be VGA, DVI, HDMI, and the output goes to a small receiving unit, which I'll show you right here. And this is an example that has an HDMI output, and you can see also you've got a network connection and an RS-232 out. But again, what this thing is for is this box that I'm holding in my hand goes out in a remote location. It can be quite some distance away. The important thing about HDBaseT is not only are you sending video and data, but you can also push power out to monitors. So that way you can hang a monitor on a wall and not necessarily have to have an external power source. So that's what's really interesting about HDBaseT technology. But anyway, we have a range of these kinds of products. Again, this one is the modular product, but we have some that are also pre-configured as being either an HDMI box or a VGA box and so forth. But again, the modular box is the one that we're trying to show here at this particular event. It's completely flexible. The user can configure the thing however they want. If they change something about the configuration later, it's as easy as replacing a card. And we'd like to thank you for coming by and visiting us at the booth. Thanks.